Welcome to LushLoom Interiors. Today, we're transforming this modern living space with our premium blackout and sheer curtains, designed to bring elegance, privacy, and comfort to your home. Our client wanted a complete window makeover, something stylish yet functional. Blackout curtains for ultimate privacy and light control, paired with sheer curtains for a soft, airy touch. At LushLoom, we provide custom-made solutions for every window, ensuring a perfect fit and flawless finish. Scene 1. Blackout curtains focus. These blackout curtains are made from premium fabrics that completely block out sunlight, giving you control over your space's lighting. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or any area where privacy is key. Our expert installation ensures smooth operation and a luxurious finish. Scene 2. Sheer curtains focus. To complement the blackout curtains, we installed delicate sheer curtains that diffuse sunlight, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. They soften the room's look while maintaining privacy during the day, making your home feel open, bright, and elegant. Scene 3. Before and after transformation. See the transformation. From plain, uncovered windows to a sophisticated blend of blackout and sheer curtains, the difference is striking. LushLoom Interiors ensures every project is tailored to the client's taste and needs. Scene 4. Installation process highlights. Our team handled every step, from precise measurements to flawless installation. With attention to detail and premium craftsmanship, we guarantee curtains that not only look stunning but last for years.
Outro.
Upgrade your home today with LushLoom's blackout and sheer curtains. Elegant, functional, and crafted just for you. Contact us now to book your consultation and transform your living space.